new world is emerging. Really, a new world is emerging. Just like the smartphones disrupted our lives in the last decade and the internet the one before that, I believe in this decade, augmented reality will completely change our lives. This is a technology that will allow you to blend the physical and the digital worlds into one. It's something that may replace all the screens in our lives with a single pair of glasses. So what do I really mean? Well, let's take a simple use case of Skyping. Now imagine you have got a pair of glasses and your friend's got one. Now instead of appearing on a screen, they appear holographically in your room and they could walk around, talk to you, maybe sit on your bed and feel a real sense of presence and connection, which you miss out on a screen. And chances are you may actually have tried this technology, although very primitive form, on your phone. If you use Snapchat or with the digital filters, the puppy doll thing, that's one example. Or something a bit more useful would be the IKEA app, where you can actually place furniture that you would like to buy holographically in your room to get a feeling for what it would look like there and the dimensions before you commit the money. But all these are limited in its use cases and scope at this point in time because we're doing it through a phone. The true magic happens when you can do the same thing but with a pair of glasses. You may be wondering, do we actually have them now? Actually we do, but it's very expensive and not so sleek. And as with all not so sleek and expensive technologies, it's always the enterprise sector which adopts it first, which is what's happening now, and then eventually spills over to the consumer space once it becomes affordable and user-friendly. And all the big companies, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Snap, Facebook, they're all investing massive amounts of capital to be first in this race. And the one I'm most excited about is Apple and its AR glasses, which they've been working on for a number of years and is rumored to be releasing soon in 2022. That is exactly why I created this channel. In this channel, I will share with you my journey on learning how to build augmented reality applications for the Apple ecosystem in preparation for that era. So if you're an entrepreneurial developer who just doesn't want to consume the future, but actually produce, create for it, and shape it right now, do subscribe to my channel to follow my content and like this video, please. And in the next video, I will talk to you about why I think 2020 is a great time to become an AR developer.